Kajingwan Syllad ke Eriong Remal ha Khuborjylla kalapelong ke Sorkar ban shemi kilat kilinti bet kisin jam bapher ban pentikna bakandon kajing shingan kinong shnong Khuborjylla. Haba pentip NEHU sembut Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla ba Presiden Tensong haba keren bikilat pathai Khubor ulaong ba Sorkar Khuborjylla kalalong ke Pynkhreh ha ban shim khia kinu kajingja ki bami na kajing ther ulap ba lapsan. Shushu ulai thu bala Bthah baro ki DC bikin long ki Peit siar bat bantre kam baro arpasau kenta kat badang yai kini ke cyclone.
Only a particular places or only a particular district, but in the state as a whole. In all the districts in the state, we are fully prepared. Yes, maybe few districts will be vulnerable, but that also we have instructed to all the district administration. All of them equally, not only to one district or two districts as I said to you, but all districts. We have instructed all the deputy commissioners to be more vigilant and also to be in the active mode fully.
Any
issue, and we leave it to the wisdom of the district administration in consulting with the respective SDSEO or maybe DSEO, so they will take appropriate necessary decision on the ground. From the state government, we don't have to say anything on this, but of course, as I said to you, the advisory note that we have given to the district administration is take necessary steps, take a decision on the ground as and when you feel necessary.
Only thing,
you talking about the drainage system where in
the city.
Or in the city? Yes. See, again, we need to ultimately take the responsibility jointly, not only PWD alone or not only municipal or urban affairs alone. So now, of course, few stretches we have identified those vulnerable flooded area, and maybe when the monsoon is ended, from the PWD side, jointly with the urban affairs department as well as with the Shillong municipal board, we will take appropriate action accordingly.
But it has to be done before monsoon because